Hello students, welcome everyone. Welcome to our today's session that is related to the factorization. Today we will discuss division, how to divide some given algebraic expression with the another one. So today we will discuss division of monomial with monomial. Okay, monomial means having one term. So today we will discuss division of monomial with monomial. So let us start with the example. For example, we have to divide x to the power 3 by 2x. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to write it in the irreducible form. I have tell you now regarding the irreducible form in the previous video. So just we are writing the things in the irreducible form and it will be divided by 2 into x. So just check it out. 3 times 1x will be cancelled out. So just see what the result is. 3x square. Okay, one more method is there. If you don't want to use this irreducible method, you can also utilize the things that are related to the exponent in powers, whatever the things we have discussed in that. Okay, so see, this will be cancelled out. 3 we are getting. Now here we are having 3x cube upon x. So this will be 3x cube 3 minus 1. In division, power will be subtracted. So here we are having 3 into x square. So answer will be same. You can utilize any of the method, whichever you finding the easier one. Okay. Let us see one more example. See, we are having example 7x square y square z square and this need to be divided by 14xyz. So simply write in the irreducible form and cancel out, or you can use the method that you are finding the easier one. I am finding this method that this is the easier one to solve. Okay, otherwise you can use any method which you are finding that you can solve it easily. Okay, so you can use the exponent and powers as well as you can write it in the irreducible form. Like the form I am writing here, you can write in this form also. Okay, now what you can do, you can cancel it out. So just see what the remaining term is there, x, y and z upon 2. So any method you can use for division of monomial with monomial. Okay, next is division of polynomial by monomial. In polynomial, it may be binomial, trinomial or more than that term. So polynomial with you have to divide it by monomial. So let us see one example. For example, we have to divide 4x to the power 3 plus 5y square plus 6y. And this need to divide by 2y. Okay. So first method is you can take this thing as common from this one. Okay. If it is possible, you can take it as common. For example, I am taking 2y as common. What is the remaining term? 2y square 5 upon 2y plus 3. This is the remaining term and this needs to divide by 2y. Now 2y will be common, it will be cancelled out and our result is 2y square plus 5 upon 2y and plus 3. But one more simple method we are having for solving this question. How? For example, I am having the similar question. Okay. So what we will do? We will put each term in the denominator. For example, I am having 4y cube plus 5y square plus 6y. I will take each and every, for each and every denominator, I will take this 2y as denominator. Okay, this 2y as denominator for each and every term. This is only in the case of monomial because it is one term, so we can take one term as denominator of each and every term. Now, I will solve it. It is 2y square because power 1, power 3, 2y square plus it will be 5 upon 2y and it will be 3. Answer will be same. In each and every part, answer will be same, but change is in the method. So you can use any method which you are finding the easier one to solve. Okay, now we will discuss division of polynomial with polynomial. Let's see how we divide polynomial with polynomial. Let us take one example. I have to divide 7x to the power 2 plus 14x, and it need to be divided by x plus 2. So for this division, first of all, I have to factorize this numerator. इसको डिवाइड करने के लिए पहले न्यूमरेटर को क्या करना पड़ेगा, फैक्टराइज. वट एवर द पॉसिबल वे you know, you can factorize it. You can factorize it by taking something as common. You can factorize it by division method. Whatever the method you are finding that possible here, you can factorize it. Here, just when we check out both the terms, what we are seeing that we can take 7x as common. In both of the things, 7x is common. So this is the way to factorize this. Now, in denominator, I am having x plus 2. Now see, x plus 2 is in the numerator also, x plus 2 in the denominator also. So, what is the remaining term? That is 7x. Okay, let us take one more example for polynomial with polynomial. For example, I am having the question 44 x to the power 4 minus 5x cube minus 24x squared. This is the question I am having, and this needs to divide by 11x x minus 8. Okay, now check it out how we will divide it. Now I will see that is there anything, can I take anything as common in it. So 44, just see x square is here also, here also, here also. So I am taking x square as common. Now remaining term is x square minus 5x minus 24. This is the remaining term. And this needs to divide by 11x, 11 minus 8. Now see, first of all, what we need to do, we need to factorize this term. We need to factorize this term. So how to do the factorization of this particular term? Just check it out. What I have told you, for I will check the last term. I will find out the factor of the last term for which addition and subtraction is the middle one, that is 5. So I will check the factor of 24. So when I am checking the factor of 24, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, then 2 6 are 12. What I need 5 here. Again 2 3s are 6. Now I will check that 2 twos are 4, 2s are 8. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5 and 8 3s are 8 is 24. So factors are, just check it out. What are the factors? Factors are 8 minus 3 because 8 minus 3 is 5 and 8 3s are 24. Okay, and it needs to divide by 11x, 11 minus 8. Now see how I will solve it. 44x square, it will be x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24. And it needs to divide by 11x, 11 minus 8. Okay, just see, 11 will be cancelled out 4 times and x will be subtracted. So I am having 4x here. From here I will take x as common, then x minus 8 is remaining, plus 3 as common, x minus 8 is the remaining term here, and in denominator I am having 11 minus 8. Sorry, it is x minus 8. Again 4x will be as it is. Here what I am having, x minus 8 will be common and x plus 3 will be here. So x minus 8. Now see, I am having x minus 8 as common in both. So it will be cancelled out and the result is 4x, x plus 3. So this is the way to solve polynomial, to divide polynomial with polynomial. Okay, let us see one more example so that the things are little bit easier for you. Yes, I have to do the division. Z, 5z square minus 80 by 5z, z plus 4. So just see here 2 terms are there and 1 square I am having. So I will try to find it out whether the second term will be the square of something. So just see how I am solving it. Z. Now what I am taking? 5 as common. What is the remaining? That is Z square. And when I am taking 5 as common from 80, what is the remaining here? That is 16. And it needs to be divided by 5z, z plus 4. Now see here. Here also I am having z5 and here also I am having z5. So these two will be cancelled out. Now see, this is z square and this is the square of 4. And z plus 4 we are having. Now this will be a plus b and a minus b. And in denominator we are having z plus 4. Now see, these two are the similar terms. So z minus 4 is our answer. So there are many ways. It depends on the numerator that how you factorize the numerator. Okay, in the next video we will discuss our exercise, that is exercise 14.3, which is related to the division of polynomial with polynomial. Okay, till then just go through the video, like and subscribe. Thank you.